to our channel. In this video, we're going to share 10 DIY cleaning hacks that will make your life easier. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Use lemon to clean. Cut a lemon in half and rub it on surfaces like cutting boards, countertops, and sinks to remove stains and disinfect the area. Hack number 2. Use vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water to create a cleaning solution that can be used on a variety of surfaces. For example, soak a shower head in the solution overnight to remove buildup. Hack number 3. Use a lint roller. Use a lint roller to remove dust and debris from lampshades, curtains, and other fabric surfaces. Hack number 4. Use baking soda and vinegar. Pour a mixture of baking soda and vinegar down a clogged drain to help dissolve buildup and unclog the drain. Hack number 5. Use a toothbrush. Use an old toothbrush to scrub grout and other hard-to-reach areas that need a good scrub. Hack number 6. Use a squeegee. Use a squeegee to remove pet hair from furniture and carpets. Hack number 7. Use rubbing alcohol. Mix rubbing alcohol and water in a spray bottle and use it to clean windows and other glass surfaces. Hack number 8. Use a microfiber cloth. Use a microfiber cloth to clean electronic screens like TVs and computer monitors. Hack number 9. Make your own cleaning tools. Make your own cleaning tools like a mop made from a towel and a broomstick. Hack number 10. Use a dryer sheet. Use a dryer sheet to wipe down baseboards and remove dust and pet hair. And there you have it, 10 DIY cleaning hacks that will make your life easier. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning and organization tips and tricks.